Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunter with this golden outfit and trusted browse without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this purple color and then put on this earring, make it this color, and this earring as well, make it white. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it gold, and this necklace, make it gold, and choose to go to. And then put on this boots, you're going to make it white and gold. And then the next one, I'm going to go to this masculine area and put on this top, and then we're going to color it with this white color, and then make it metallic. And then you're going to put on this jacket as well, and then you're going to color it black for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then for the third selection, you're going to color it with this gold color, and then for the fourth selection as well, and then you're going to change the texture to glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this location and put on this item, and then we're going to make it white. Okay, this white color. And then I'm going to put on the sleeves, this one, and make it gold. And then change the material to glitter. Okay, and then move to this jeans area, and then you're going to put on this jeans and make it metallic for the texture, and you're going to color it with this white color. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to this belt area and put on this belt, and for the first selection you're going to make it this gold color, and for the second selection make it this gold color. This is for the color code, and also for the third selection. And then you're going to add chains. Okay, done. And then I'm going to move to the dressing room and go to the currency items and put on this top, and then we're going to remove everything like this, and then color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the material, I'm going to make it metallic. Okay, done. And then you're going to put on this top, and I'm going to choose the gold 3. And then for the color, we're going to make it this gold color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And then we're going to go to the curves item and choose this skirt. You're going to add top only. Okay, and then we're going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection we're going to make it gold, and also for the third selection. Okay, and the last one guys, we're going to put on the microphone. The microphone is here, it's optional, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.